Soccer 605 here. I'm here with Brooke Svoboda with the South Dakota United Legacy and Brookings High Bobcats. Welcome, Brooke.
Thank you.
Well, you know, I wanted to talk to you today because you just got back from Florida. You were one of the first girls ever to participate in a national tournament. What was that like going there?
It was really fun. It was a good experience. Got, good way for our team to connect and show what South Dakota had.
You know, we had your name on Soccer 605 several times. You know, you scored the game-winning goal that got your team the championship at regionals and scored the first goal for your team at nationals. That must be a very special couple moments for you.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Couldn't have done it without the team, though. We're all a big part of it.
Well, you know, one of the things that Coach Bartels was talking about when we interviewed him after that first game was that he thought that your special friendship with Riley Closey and the way you two connected up top was one of the main reasons you were able to do that.
Yeah, me and Riley, we get along good. We know where each other are going to go and special passes.
And you know, that's something because Riley really hasn't been with your team that long.
No, she hasn't. This is her first year, but yeah, we just connected right away.
So, you know, tell me about going to Florida. What was the competition level really tough?
You know, it was pretty even actually. I mean, there were some good teams and good girls, but I thought we competed pretty evenly with them, and we had chances to win all the games. We just fell apart at some times, but it's fun.
Well, one thing we know about you and your team, you know, you've got enough good players in that team that you can compete with just about anybody out there.
Yeah, it's true. We have great girls in every position.
So what was the weather pretty, you know, I kind of shook my head when I saw you were going to nationals in July in Florida. I wondered who picked that place and date, but was the weather pretty bearable for you?
You know, it was hot, but we stuck through it and it's fine, I guess. I don't know.
Okay, well, you know, you've got this national tournament done. You're getting ready to start the high school season. What do you look for your prospects at Brookings for your high school season coming up?
It's going to be a lot different. I don't know, hopefully just do good, better than we did last year. I don't know, it's going to be a big change.
Well, you know, you don't always have to shoot for perfection. You know, sometimes improvement is plenty good enough.
Yep.
So what do you suppose they're going to have you playing this year for them?
Probably like center mid, sometimes some outside mid, maybe get some forward.
Let you go in a place where you can do some running for them. That's kind of one of your specialties, isn't it?
Yep.
Well, Brooke, we'll be watching you very closely during the high school season, and best of luck to you and your teammates, and a big congratulations from Soccer 605 for scoring those two critical goals for your team. That really shows a lot of quality.
Thank you.